Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Ulum Rachmawati with student number X071181. Today I will do a horticulture practicum about introduction of horticulture commodities. Horticulture commodities divided into four. There are vegetables, plant, fruit plant, medicinal plant, and ornamental plant. So I will explain about the example of each commodity. First, the horticultural commodities is fruit plant. The example of fruit plant is figs. Figs has a local name as Tin or Ara and has a scientific name as Ficus carica. The propagation of figs can be done by vegetatively, by air layer, and stem cutting. Figs include in category of fruit plant and perennial plant. According to Makum and Azizah 2020, extract of fig leaf has potential as antibacterial and antivirus. The product from fig fruit mostly used as a sort of mineral, vitamins, and contain amino acid and polyphenol. Figs has a lot of advantages like overcome the chronic digestive system disorder, prevent cancer and other chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Also can improve the skin health. The productivity of fig plant for commercial needs is from the eggs more than 3 years. At 8 years of fig plant, they are on the period of stable productivity of fruit, and productivity period can reach 13 until 35 years. Commodities of horticulture commodities is ornamental plant. The example of ornamental plant is rose. Rose has a local name as mawar and a scientific name is Rosa hybridus. The propagation of rose plant can be done vegetatively by air layer and stem cutting. Rose plant include in the category of ornamental plant and perennial plant. Rose, also known as queen of flower, and eventually come to be appreciated as an ornamental flower. But according to Horibe and Yamada, 2017, rose initially used as a fragrance and medicinal purpose. Rose plant that seed come from cutting and grafting. The harvesting can be done at the age of 4 until 5 months, while the productive period of rose plant is 3 until 5 years, which the plant still produce flower. The next commodity is vegetable plant. This vegetable plant named as wild lettuce. Wild lettuce has a local name as sawi pedang and scientific name is Lactuca indica. The propagation of wild lettuce can be done generatively by seed. These wild lettuce include in category of vegetable plant and annual plant. Wild lettuce often used as a side vegetable in the main dish. According to Song et al. 2020, the secondary metabolite in the vegetable, especially lettuce, plays a key role for human body health such as phenolic compound, vitamin A and C, carotenoids, source of iron, magnesium, zinc, and others. The egg of wild lettuce around 3 till 4 months, and usually the harvesting of plant at the egg around 2 months. That's for commercial needs. The next commodity is medicinal plant. This plant is white turmeric. White turmeric has scientific name is Curcuma zedoaria. The propagation of this plant can be done vegetatively by rhizome. This plant include in category of medicinal plant and perennial plant. White turmeric, according to Marliani et al. 2017, the rhizome has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and antimicrobial activity. White turmeric contains flavonoid, polyphenols, curcuminoid, and essential oil. White turmeric used traditionally for the treatment of menstrual disorder, cancer, dyspepsia, and vomiting. We can harvest this turmeric at the age 10 until 12 months after planting. Is all the explanation about horticulture commodities. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.